Alright, what's up? I'm Aya, and today I will show you how to use Ninite. Ninite is a program that can be used to install basic applications on your device, and you can also pick the ones that you want. For example, we got some web browser and documents we need. Here I will be using LibreOffice, and I do not need any other applications, so I'm gonna be selecting nothing from here. Also, we need to install some media for iTunes and VLC, and also need to install Steam because that I use. For compression I will be using 7-zip, and there are no other applications that I will use. So this is how I customize my Ninite. You just have to pick your applications that you want or you have already installed on your system and hit get your Ninite. Now the Ninite will download. This is a simple and little application, downloads in seconds. Simply open it up, run it as administrator. If you get any prompts, simply say run or yes, and then it will download and install those applications for you in their default configurations. Okay, now I'm gonna say yes. This is now preparing the setup. We have to wait for it. So if you want to check the details, simply hit show details. It will give you everything. Here you can see 7-zip is okay because it is already installed and up to date. Steam was already installed, VLC was already installed, but the missing thing was iTunes and LibreOffice. So those two applications are now being downloaded and will be installed soon. Also, I can keep this Ninite setup that I've already customized for myself, and also I can update all those apps freely. It will not do anything else. It will only install in default configurations and will always say no to toolbars or anything that is junk related. So all we have to do is wait for the installer to do its job. If you do not want to wait, you can also minimize the setup and do your work as always. Now I'm gonna have to speed it up so you can see if it is working correctly or not. Well, the time it takes to install all those applications depends on the internet connection speed and also depends on the processing speed of your CPU and whatsoever. So this is how you can get all your basic applications installed with a single click. You do not have to worry about anything. All of the applications that I downloaded are now installed. If you want to keep those apps updated, keep that installer in your system, and whenever you want to update, simply run that installer and it will check for updates. I will keep this, but I will not be keeping this. I need to delete it. Sometimes I do not want to keep things lying around here, but you should keep it and you can update it anytime you want. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.